So yeah, we just got back from Productivity's Oktoberfest event last year, which happens every other year, opposite of IMTS. Show was very busy. They did a fantastic job, bringing people in, getting the word out that the event was there. Met with a lot of Productivity's people and their customers, and produced a lot of leads, and met with a lot of existing customers and that are very, very happy with our products. That's always pretty nice to come across that. A lot of customers a lot of people know about us. They're waiting for the right product to come around to, pull the trigger on the Masa system. And again, the people that didn't know about us are just blown away by what they see, and just have jobs running right now that they can use the system on. So, yeah, great event. I can't remember the total count of people, but I'm guessing in the neighborhood of 3,000 people. It could be more. I'm not sure. It was 4 days. Productivity's products, at least in our area, Citizens, they sell and service Citizen machines. So, and they got a great team of people there that are there for their customers. So, and we were fortunate enough to be there where all the Citizens were. That's probably the busiest room there at the show. So, and they did have beer and food for everyone, and yeah, so that's always a good thing to be part of. So.